Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing, and telling you the approximate value of my March Sephora Playbox. Yes, I know it is mid-April. We're just going to move past it, ignore that fact, enjoy the unboxing. Because it is festival season, Coachella is last weekend, this weekend, I don't know. It's sometime this month. The theme for the Sephora Playbox for March is Festival of Beauty, and the bag this month is actually kind of cute. It says beauty is my spirit animal. It's kind of like a faded tie-dye. I actually kind of like this design, so I might keep it instead of throwing it away like I do with all the others, but I still don't know what I would use a drawstring bag for. As always, each Sephora Playbox comes with this little handy dandy pamphlet that includes a card for 50 extra beauty insider points when you purchase an item in store, and then on the inside, my favorite part, it is a list of everything that you got in your Sephora Playbox, why they picked them, and how to use them. So the first item that I got is this Briogeo Blossom and Bloom Ginseng and Biotin Volumizing Spray. Now, I love Briogeo. I talk about them all the time. I use them consistently. I have not tried any of their volumizing stuff though. I actually have not tried this yet because long story, I was using the wrong shampoo from a different box and it kind of totally messed with my hair, so I'm trying to get it back to normal and then I will try this, but I know I'm gonna love it already. And even if I don't, because my hair really doesn't volumize, it still is going to make my hair feel beautiful and healthy because that is what all of their products do. So I will like this either way, I already know. And this is their little travel size, so the approximate value is $3. Next up is this Lancome miel-en-mousse foaming cleansing makeup remover, and this is very weird. It's like honey, like gluey honey. You put it on, you kind of rub it in, and then you use water, and it foams up. Super weird, but it does work. It did make my skin feel really clean. It's just a kind of weird process. And of course, Lancome is very expensive, so the approximate value of this is only $1. This is a little Sephora Contour Eye Pencil 12-Hour Wear Waterproof Eyeliner in the shade 06 Blonde Ambition. It's kind of just a shimmery pale pearl. I like the color. Again, I don't like the formula. I got this last month, 2 months ago in a Sephora Playbox, and I really wasn't a big fan. It's not really waterproof like it claims to be. It doesn't last that long. It's not super pigmented, so I'm not a big fan of these. And the approximate retail value for this little Sephora eye pencil is $4.25. Next up, I've got this Buxom Plump Line lip liner. Of course, I'm wearing it right now. I actually really like this. It comes with a very thick lip liner on one side and then sort of a little brush so you can brush it out on the other side. I am just wearing this as a lipstick today because it is so smooth and creamy. You don't need to just use it as a lip liner, so I absolutely love this, and I feel like it did make my lips look bigger. I don't know, maybe that's all in my head, but I do like the way my lips look when I wear it, so it's a plus. And surprisingly, this actually retails for about $7.30. I also got a Dr.jart Plus Premium BB Beauty Balm Multi-Action Skincare SPF 45. I was really excited about this because I need to start wearing more sunscreen on the daily, but unfortunately this is way too dark. I'm very pale, and this is their light to medium shade, and I am still too pale for this. So I liked the consistency, I liked the coverage, but this is going to go to somebody that can actually wear this because this is like 5 shades too dark for me. And then the approximate retail value for this little sample is actually about $5.20. Hallelujah, y'all, I did not receive a perfume sample this month. I got hair care samples, which I absolutely love. So these are the Marajo hair care. One is the Nourishing Cleansing Cream, and this is the Deep Butter Treatment. I did actually really like these. Would I purchase the full size? Probably not. I'm kind of stuck to my personal hair care routine, but I did like these. It was nice to try out something new for a change. And if you're wondering, I did calculate these are both under $1 each, so not too much added value. So in case you were not paying attention, that brings the total value of the March Sephora Playbox up to about $20.75, which is actually the smallest value of any Sephora Playbox I've gotten so far since I started calculating the prices. So that was kind of disappointing, especially since I didn't like about 2 or 3 of the products. However, as I always say, I love getting to try new products. That is the best part of it for me. I am such a makeup lover. I love getting to try samples of little things, especially Sephora samples. Like, I love the Buxom lip pencil. I will definitely be buying some more of that. I love Briogeo. It is always nice to get to try more of their products. So even though I didn't like everything in the box, it is still a win for me personally because I got to try new things. I will stop rambling and just tell you, obviously, if you haven't tried out a Sephora Playbox, you should. That's it. You just really should. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, even though it's kind of late. So if you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Ilea. I would love to talk to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and for all of your support, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day.